A quick tip on how to plug the cylinder head if you're building a G23 VTEC or G22. But for now, I'm just gonna talk about G23. But it's pretty much all the same. Someone have asked me, one of my subscribers asked me, how did I plug the cylinder head? I have mentioned it on my previous blog, what product or what equipment I used to plug the cylinder head, and I went and got one on O'Reilly's. But anyway, here, this is it's a freeze plug, expandable. So it's 3/4 to 7/8. It's made by Dorman, and this one is previously open. Lucky this is the only one that they had. So anyway, let me open that one, and I'm gonna put it here. And before I do that, anyway, I also have the head gasket here, and make sure, pay attention on where this thing is gonna land. If it has, make sure that it doesn't, it's not being compressed by two surfaces together, that it's gonna be adhering the efficiency of the head gasket. If you have to remove those copper, I have done it in the past where OEM F23 head gasket, I ended up removing some of the copper. This is just to help hold those three sheets together anyway. Besides, you still have the dowel pin on there, so that will keep it straight, all the way straight. So just pay attention on those, okay? It's very nice that I made this this table rather than working on that corner, and all I really need to do is keep the surface clean. As you can see, I still have some of the mess in there. But anyway, and here it is. It's just nothing but a rubber with a bolt in it. The bolt has a square shaft at the end, and also the rubber is shaped with a square, and you can see it. And one washer is also squared for the hole. And this washer here, for this size, the 3/4 to 7/8, this washer is a little bit too big. So you don't really necessarily have to get one if you have a grinder, you know, a belt grinder, not a belt grinder, but yeah, a grinder. You could grind this, make it fit, or just get another washer like this, small one, and use that washer. See how it fit, like that. Now on this one, it's two different size. See, it won't fit. They sell a different one, also a smaller version. I think it's 5/8 to 3/4, or 1/2. So you have to get those. Okay. So this is just to show you on how I did it. Of course, you're gonna clean it. Okay, let's see if I could drive it on there. Let me expand it just a little more. Too much. Oh, wait, too much. See, it expanded already. Yeah, a little bit, okay. Okay, just before you drop it on there, just go ahead and put some sealant on here on the inside, and just drop it. You don't really have to drop it all the way in. Okay, that way you're pushing the sealant over it, and then you tighten it. This one is turning, so all you have to do is put like a screwdriver. Let me turn the head so you can see it. You see where it is. Let's see if I can get this light. You see it right there? So only thing that you have to do is fill those holes with sealant. This side, and if you could get some on the other side, you could put some sealant on there. But like I said, if you put a dab of sealant on there to begin with, but make sure to check the excess. Alright, just wipe it off. And for this one, since its holes is a little bit smaller, just see if you could find something smaller than that one, than this one. If you can't, you can just sand that one. Sand, you know, like use a sandpaper to make it fit on here. And the head stud to use is H22. H22 and from 92 to 2000 are all the same. If you're doing NA setup, you can. It's okay to use the OEM. There's nothing wrong with that, with those head bolts. And if you're running boost, I highly recommend to use ARP head studs. Okay? By showing you how I did installing the plug on this cylinder head, I hope this helps you out, and a lot of guys out there that wanted to build the G23 or G22. And it's not really that expensive. Remember, this is the part. They call it expandable plug, made by Dorman, and it goes with it varies by size, so you just have to get the right size. This is 3/4 on one side, and this is probably 5/8 or a ½ inch, or the next smaller size on this one. Alright, well, thank you guys for your support. Thanks a lot for subscribing again. Alright, really appreciate it. Okay, well, thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye everyone. Bye bye.